Huh. That's way better. Welcome back to the Rundown. This week, we're talking about Whoosh, and more specifically, CanadianBusiness.com and their Growth 500 rankings. And it basically tells Canadians how businesses are doing. Well, Whoosh ended up at number 9 on their list, which is pretty impressive. They keep your phone safe. How do they do it? Traveling around, you wouldn't believe the kind of stuff that you would find on the surface of your phone. Whoosh takes care of all of it. 99.9% of germs are killed. It is non-toxic. I could spray this in my mouth right now. I wouldn't choose to do it.
Do it! Just do it!
Fine, okay. Tastes like sunshine. But no, in all seriousness, Whoosh is a great product from Canada, bottled here in Canada. It's a great product. It's super easy to sell. Who likes a dirty dookie phone? Nobody. Nobody likes having glasses that are dirty. Nobody likes having screens that are dirty. So make sure that you pick up some Whoosh. It's a great product. Whoosh. It's a pretty cool name. I like saying that name too. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Whoosh. It's one of those names that doesn't matter how many times you say it because it's not going to mean anything less. And whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Hey, Nicole, whoosh? What? Yeah, whoosh. So if you'd like to check out the full Growth 500 list on CanadianBusiness.com, we'll leave a link in the description below. For Growth, they were 9th. And then for just being an overall Canadian business, they ended up at 73. That's a great place to end up. So it's Whoosh. Awesome little cloths with it. It's just great product. If this video was helpful, if you enjoy Whoosh and you like hearing me say Whoosh, make sure that you leave a thumbs up, a nice big thumbs up. If this video wasn't helpful, leave a thumbs down. I don't really care. Or leave a comment and let us know if there's a future episode that you'd like to see. Subscribe if it was helpful. And until next time, we're running things down. If you don't know what a rundown is, well, goodbye.